Tackling dark trails, muddy back roads, or foggy night runs with weak factory lights can get sketchy real quick. That's where ditch lights step up, giving you better visibility and more confidence behind the wheel. We've rounded up some of the best off-road ditch lights out there. And yeah, all product links are waiting for you down in the video description. Auxbeam brings crazy versatility for drivers who want one setup that handles everything. These 3-inch pods switch between 6 lighting modes using a remote, including amber, white, and strobe combinations with memory function. The combo beam blends a focused spot with a wide flood pattern, making them useful for trails, fog, and recovery work. With durable aluminum housing, waterproof construction, and included wiring, they offer impressive value. Diode Dynamics SS3 pods are built for drivers chasing premium performance and precision. Their advanced TIR optics focus light more efficiently than many traditional reflector designs, reducing glare while maximizing usable output. Buyers love the range of beam patterns, from fog to spot and combo driving. Add selectable white or yellow output, stylish backlighting, SAE-compliant options, and lifetime warranty coverage, and these feel seriously pro-grade. Nilight proves you do not need to empty your wallet for capable off-road lighting. These 4-inch combo beam pods use 20 high-intensity LED chips to spread both spot and flood illumination across the trail. Their aluminum housing and waterproof design handle mud, rain, and rough terrain surprisingly well. Reviews often praise the included wiring harness and easy installation, making them a popular beginner-friendly upgrade. Rough Country Cube Series lights punch above their size. These compact 2-inch pods deliver 3,600 lumens through a focused 8-degree spot beam that reaches deep down dark trails and open roads. The cool white daytime running light adds extra attitude, while the black housing blends cleanly with modern builds. Owners appreciate the strong brightness, versatile mounting options, and limited lifetime replacement support that adds peace of mind. NOVSIGHT mixes style with practical trail performance. The standout feature is its X-pattern daytime running light, available in white or amber, giving your rig a custom appearance before you even hit the switch. These pods throw 6,000 lumens with long-distance reach and include amber covers for fog or rainy conditions. The included harness and mounting hardware make installation refreshingly hassle-free for weekend builders. KC Apollo Pro keeps the old-school off-road vibe alive with powerful halogen performance. These 6-inch lights use replaceable 100-watt H3 bulbs and produce serious long-distance visibility through a focused spot beam. Their Polymax housing and integrated stone guards give them a rugged look that still turns heads today. Drivers who love classic desert racing style often praise their dependable output and complete plug-and-play wiring kit. Rigid Industries D-Series Pro remains a favorite among serious off-roaders for good reason. These flood beam pods throw 3,168 raw lumens with instant-on performance and a lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours. Their heavy-duty construction, stainless hardware, and UV-resistant finish are designed for harsh environments. Whether mounted on A-pillars, bumpers, or motorcycles, they provide broad, dependable illumination backed by premium American-built quality. Baja Designs wraps up the list with lighting engineered for hardcore off-road abuse. The Squadron Sport Pods use 5,000 Kelvin LEDs that improve terrain visibility while helping reduce eye fatigue during long night drives. Their Clearview optics and driving combo beam pattern create balanced forward and side illumination. Moisture block waterproof protection, replaceable lenses, and lifetime support make these a trusted choice among experienced trail runners. That's our lineup of the best ditch lights for off-road adventures, whether you're chasing maximum brightness, rugged reliability, or budget-friendly performance. Check the video description for links to every light featured here, and if this review helped you out, smash that subscribe button and stick around for more off-road gear breakdowns.